Hello everyone. In today's session, we are going to prepare one project. Uh, Okay, so which is related to the shark game. So as we all know, if we want to prepare any project, we need to design that particular project in two areas. First for the designing, second for the coding, or I can say programming. So right now, we are going to prepare the first phase of that project, that is designing. So initially, uh, what should I do? I need to choose a background for that particular project. So I need to choose a backdrop of underwater. So here you can see the option from where we can choose a background. Okay, so here's the option to choose a background, and I need to select that particular category underwater because I want an underwater scene in my project. So as you can see on the screen, we have two type of underwater background. So I need to select this one. Yes, so that is good for me. And now the second thing is a sprite, or I can say characters for the project. So I need to choose a sprite of a shark and a fish. So here we have a option from where we can select sprites from, I can say from the Scratch library. So just go in this section, and if I'm talking about the shark or fish, so both sprite is related to the animals category. So we have this animal category here, and then we need to choose our sprites. So first one is fish. Shark is here, I can take this one, and then another, that is fish. Again, we need to go in the animal section, and then we need to find out the fish. So here it is. Here's the fish. Okay, so we can take this one. But if you can see on the screen, by default, cat is also available. So for that, I need to do, I need to delete this cat sprite from this back, from the stage area. So for that, I need to choose that particular sprite, and then we have an option for delete. Just click on that, and when you click on that delete option, you can see the cat is permanently deleted from the stage area. Now it's look fine for me. And one more thing, for shark game, I want more fish on the stage area. So for that, no need to take from this library again and again. What should I do for that? I need to create a duplicate copy for that particular sprite. And if I want to change the size, I can. So here is the fish. I want to change the size of fish because shark is okay in size, but I want to resize the fish. So select it and then put the value in the size box and then press enter. Now you can see the size has changed, right? So that is perfect for me. Now we need to create some more fish on the stage. So just right click on the that particular fish, and we have a duplicate option. We can create multiple fish on the screen. 3, 4. So we can adjust it like this. Now I want some more fish. right? I want to take one more. Yeah, that is fine. That is now fine. We can make more also, but 6 is fine. Okay. Now let's start coding part. So we are going to make a code step by step. As you know, we have two things in our project, that is shark and another is fish. So we will prepare a code one by one. So first we need to prepare a code for shark, that is here, right? So we need to choose that particular shark first, because right now fish 6 has selected, but for if I want to prepare a code for shark, so I need to select that shark first. Okay. Now we will start one by one. We will set some instructions one by one. So here you can see when green flag clicked, you have to create an event. So this block start the script, right? When the green flag or a start button is clicked in Scratch, you all know. So that is what? That is event. You have to create it. And after that, you need to take a forever block from the uh, control section. Here's the control section, and you have to pick a forever block. But why we are taking this block here? Because it creates a loop. So the shark continuously performs the following action without stopping. Whatever action you have to put under the section of forever, it will perform continuously that particular actions without stopping. So that's why I'm taking the forever block here. Now the next thing is motion section. We need to take a move 4 steps for shark. I'm not taking 10 steps right now because it will increase the speed. So I'm taking only 4. That is good for me. Okay. So the what is the meaning of move 4 steps here? So the main logic behind this, the shark moves 4 steps forward in the direction it is currently facing. Right now the direction is this, so it will move 4 steps forward in the same direction. Okay. Now I will show you. But before that, I'm going to add one more thing, that is point towards mouse pointer. Here's the code, and it is again comes under the motion section. So you have to take this one and put it here. Now, what is the role of points towards mouse pointer here? So this makes the shark always turn and face the mouse pointer. Here's my mouse pointer, and it will also take a turn and face the mouse pointer. So when the user moves their mouse, for example, right now I am a user. So if I am moving the mouse, the shark rotates to follow it. Okay. So combined with the move block, it create just like a chasing effect, right? I'm going to show you. I'm just clicking on the flag. Now you can see I'm moving the mouse pointer, and in the same direction shark is following. Okay. It's just like a chasing effect. Okay. Like this, like if I want to eat this fish, I want to eat this fish. So in this way we can create a code. Correct. So this is creating a chasing effect. Now I'm going to stop this code to continue this. Okay. And after that, you have to do one thing. You have to create a wait for 1 second, because you can see where's the wait, obviously in the control section. So we'll go in the control section, and after that you have to select that code and put it here. And the 1 second is fine, right? So this pause the loop slightly for 1 second to slow down the movement, making it smoother and more controllable, right? So this wait second, pause the loop slightly. So that's why we are putting here. Why? Because after this we are going to put the costumes of shark. Here you can see, if I'm going in the costume section, you will see we have three costumes for the shark. The first one is this, second one is showing the shark is opening a mouth, and the third one is showing again it is closing mouth, right? So you can show all these costumes one by one, but for that you need to take a wait so that you can easily check it out. Okay. So again, we need to go in the code section for creating a code or instructions. And now we will take the next and a last one for this, that is next costume. So it will comes under the look section. Yes, here it is. So we can take this one and put it here. It will perform the role like the shark switches to the next costume in its list, whatever costumes are available in the list. So creating just like a swimming animation as it moves, right? So I will show you the demo. For that, in the full screen control mode, we can go and we can check the working of the shark. Is it okay or not? So yes, when I am clicking on the flag, it will in the running mode, and now you can see this effect is showing like a swimming effect, and it is following the mouse pointer, and this effect is showing chasing effect, and now you can see it is just like a swimming effect, correct, in this way, and it is looking very nice, cool, right? So in this way we can prepare a code for that particular sprite. So that is the code for the shark, but we have the another part in this project. As you can see, many fishes are available on the screen, right? So we need to prepare a code for fishes as well. But we don't want to create again and again code. So for that, we will take a one fish and prepare a code for that. And after that, we can copy the same code for all the fishes. Okay. That is quite simple for us. So we need to stop this code, and then we need to come back. We need to come back in the coding area. Yes. And then we need to select the first fish so that we can prepare a code for that. So initially, again, we need to create a event. This start the fish script when the game begins. So we need to click on the event section so that green flag is clicked and the code will run. Okay. Now you have to take a show block that is available in the look section always. Yes, here it is. So we can put it here. And what is the role of show block? To ensure that the fish sprite is visible at the start of the game. Because at the end of the game, we are going to hide that fish. So that's why in the beginning we are going to show it, or we are going to make a visible. Okay, so that's why we are taking this code. Now we need to set the actual position or initial position. Okay, I can say place the fish at a specific starting position on the screen, either left side or right side. So it's our choice, our self choice, and this ensures all fish start from the same location. So it's depends upon you. You want uh, like you want all fish start from the same location, or you can change the x and y coordinates. You can change the locations as well. So we are going to change, okay, one by one. But before that, we need to set what? We need to set the go to x-axis and y-axis. So this is also available in motion section. So here it is, go to x and y. So initially I'm going to set the first fish location, that is 3 and 154, which is here, right? Okay, now we need to do one thing. We need to set some instructions under the forever block. So, because after that, after the initial position of the fish will work, but that work will be in the continuous mode. If I'm preparing anything in the continuous mode and I want that particular sprite will work continuously until the program will not stop. So in that case, we need to put all the code under the forever block. So this is in control section. We need to take a forever block. So this loop keeps the fish moving and checking conditions continuously. Okay. Now the next condition is I want that particular fish will work move 2 steps. So here move 10 steps, but I want to change the value of 10. So just click on that, erase it by the help of backspace key, put the value 2 from the keyboard and then press enter. Now I will show you the functioning. For example, so this is the first fish, right? And it is moving and moving and moving, and it is hide right now on the edge, behind the edge, I can say. So for that, we have one more code. That is, if on edge bounce, whenever it will touch the edge, it will bounce it back. Okay, so we'll take this and put it here. Now we can see the result. So it's good. It's good now. It is moving, but when it will touch the edge, it will come back. So if the fish touches the edge of the screen, it bounces back in the opposite direction, and this prevents the fish from disappearing off screen, which has done earlier before applying this code, if on edge bounce, right? So this code is fine till now. Now we will apply the main concept of this fish code, right? So we are applying here one logic, or I can say conditional statement, that is available in the sensing. Sorry, controls, right? So what should I do? I will do one thing. I will take if then conditional statement. What is the condition here? The condition checks if the fish touches the shark. If the fish touches the shark, um, then I want the fish is hide, right? Disappear from the screen. It will look like the shark eating the fish. This event or this scene I want to create by the help of code. So for that, we have a sensing section in which we have a touching mouse pointer code, and I need to put in this diamond box. But I want to change the mouse pointer, because if mouse pointer is touching the shark, right, then it will hide fish. That is not relatable. So we will do one thing. We need to correlate this. So we can do one thing. We just click on this and change the value of this by shark 2. Okay, if shark 2, because its name is shark 2, if fish touch the shark 2, then it will hide, completely disappear from the screen, just like eating the shark eating the fish, right? So then we will go in the look section, and here we have mm, hide. Okay, just take it and put it here. Now we will see it is working or not. This is working or not properly. Just stop the code, play it. Now you can see, yeah, mm, it hides, right? I'm again preparing. Now you can see like this. Yes, it hides, right? So in this way, we can prepare the same code for all other fishes, because all are in rest condition. They're not performing any action. So we want they will perform some actions similar to the first fish. So what should I do? We can just create a copy of that particular code and put it to the another fish like this. Okay. Yes, it's done now. Now we will take the another code to fish 3. Yes, it's done. Now we'll take one more code for fish 4. Yes, it's done. Right. Now we will prepare one more code for fish 5. We can create a copy. Yes, it's done. But in fish 6, there's no code. So we will do again one more duplicate and put it to the fish 6. No, it's not done, not done. So we'll make one more time. Okay, it's done now. So all fish is having a code right now, but uh, one more thing, the initial position, x-axis and y-axis are same for all the fishes. So it will make a issue. Like it will make a matlab, it will make a problem according to our condition. All fishes will start from one position. So that's not good. So we'll do one thing. We'll change the x-axis and y-axis value. Any value we can provide, like minus 154, right? Uh, or we can put the same value where we have set it. Like I want to minus 146. If I'm taking this one, so I'm putting the value minus 146 and minus 123. Okay. Now we will take fish 2 and the values are 159, 159 and 93. So I'm putting the same x-axis and y-axis point which I'm setting here. Now then I'm taking the next one. So its x-axis and y-axis point is minus 38 and minus 74. So I'm putting the same here. Minus 38 and minus 74. Next one is this 106 and minus 34. So there's no confusion. Next is 41, 51. Okay. Now next is last one, that is 162 and minus 135. Now we will check this on the full screen control mode. Yes, here it is, and we are going to start this project like this. So all fishes are in moving conditions. Shark is also doing the same action. Yeah, fish disappears, right? So in this way, we can make a project. Correct? So it is working properly. You can check, right? Now, I'm discussing the key concept. So if key concepts and purpose, like if I'm talking about the events, so it starts the game using when green flag clicked, right? And if I'm talking about the loops, so forever blocks make the game run continuously. Here we have used, right? Third thing is motion. We have used in the code. So moving, bouncing, pointing towards the mouse. So all purpose has solved by the help of this motion section. And if I'm talking about the sensing concept. So what is the main purpose for that sensing concept? That is to detect when fish touch the shark, right? And the next one is looks we have also used. So the main purpose of that looks concept, like if I want to hide something, if I want to show that particular sprite, or if I want to change the costume to add realism in the animation, that's why we are using that concept. Now animation, like animation is also a concept which we are using, right? So next costume helps simulate swimming. So this is the main purpose for that. And if I'm talking about the game behavior, if I'm summarize this game behavior, so you can see the shark follows your mouse pointer and looks like it's a swimming, correct? And the fish moves around bouncing off eggs, and if the shark touches a fish, so fish disappears, correct? So this is the main behavior which you can see on the screen. So the game is an interactive simulation of predator prey behavior, right? So that is all about the shark game. So you can add more fishes in the on the screen. You can change the behavior of the fishes as well. So it's completely depends upon you and your instructions. Whatever instructions you are going to provide that particular sprite will perform the same action. So I think that is clear to you, right? So it's completely depends upon our thoughts, our imaginations. So we can create any kind of animation according to our thoughts. Okay. So it's quite simple. Just follow step by step, because you have to create a design first, then you have to create a code step by step. Or I can say follow the instructions, whatever you are thinking. I hope it is clear to you. So that's all about the shark game. Thank you.